If you got battery issues with your vehicle, your truck, motorcycle, ATV, quad, you name it, if it's got a 12-volt lead acid battery, this battery tester from ANCEL can help. It's a 4-in-1. It checks 12-volt batteries, systems. It's a 5-amp smart charger. It's a desulfator, and it's a battery maintainer. Let's take a look at some of the features. All right, so I've got the unit plugged in. It takes AC. And right away, I got it hooked up to the terminals here for testing this setup. Your main menu, you have 8 settings: quick charging, standard charging, maintainer mode, battery test, cranking test, alternator test, review data, and setup. So here, just quickly, we're going to do a battery test. I select that, hit OK, and then you need to pick your type of battery: a flooded, flat plate, spiral, gel. Cranking amps, if you know your cranking amps, you can set that. And then it's going to run its test. So quickly it tells me my battery health. It says good but recharge, which I know because the vehicle's been sitting here. So it's healthy 86%. It's rated at 510 amp and 12 volt. A little bit of information about those that find out if you have a bad battery. What it'll do, since it's a smart charger, it'll go through an 8-step process if it detects there's something wrong with your battery to try to repair it. Step 1 would be the desulfication. That means it's going to work on cleaning those plates that get dirty on your battery. So that process happens first. It can take hours, and then it'll work through different charging cycles to try to repair the battery. Now, cranking test. Exit for return, enter for test cranking system, then disconnect clips for exit. Okay. Start the engine. Okay, so I've got to go over here and crank the engine. So after I crank the engine, you get this cranking test. It tells you the time and the voltage. And now we're going to move on to alternator test. And this one's a little more interesting. The ripple test is where there's no headlights and air conditioning. The car's on running for 10 seconds. We just wait for that. And then I have to jump in and I hold the RPMs for 2,500, 3,000 for 10 seconds. I come back, and this is my unloaded test. And then it'll do a loaded test where I've got the headlights on and the air conditioning on all the way up so that you're putting a load on the alternator. And that'll run that probably for 10 seconds or so. Let's get the results here. And my voltage is normal, 14.2 loaded, 14.1 unloaded. So there you go. I just walked through all the different steps of this 4-in-1 battery tester. I was able to verify that the alternator is putting out good voltage. It did a load test and unloaded test. The crank test, it told me what kind of voltage to crank the vehicle. It also gave me the reading voltage of the battery, and then I was easily able to put it into a 5-amp charge. And of course also it told me that I had a good battery. So that's all great information, knowing that I don't need to replace this battery or I don't need to worry about the charging system. It's all okay. So check out the 4-in-1 battery tester from ANCEL.